Yeah. So this video is regarding the promo screen, basically which you need to create. So the overall logic is when you hit this integration, that is your paginated orders integration, this is undergoing change. But for the time being, let's consider only this one. So we would be hitting this paginated orders, and we have done that earlier regarding order versus GR versus SS screen. So here you know that the key is order number, which is very easy. So along with all these orders, if you scroll down, you will find products, you'll find registrations. These are its children. This is the user information, which is your person account information. And if you go down, you have dispensary. This is your vendor information. So below dispensary, you have got these promo codes. It's an array by nature of it. So here you go, you have got the promo codes. Now for this order, this promo code has been applied, and the key here is promo code, this one. Now it's very easy to understand which is the key because this is what we use to make it unique, and you'll get this information as well as in your Apex class in here in the XML parser. This class you have all the mapping. So if you go for promo code, you'll see it comes from, sorry, not this one. This is the key for upserting, and if you see, can see the mapping, it's from promo code, so which is translating to this field. So it's easy. Now what we need to do is basically, once you go through all these things, you know, the promo code thing in the orders integration, you know, for this promo you have got this particular order number. So we have to store it, like while processing you have to store it somewhere, uh, and most probably in a static map. And when we find that this particular promo has, I say, 4 to 5 orders coming from your GIS system, but in Salesforce we have just 4 or say 3 orders. So I don't know who created this Solopop, but if we search it here, let's search it here. So you'll see, I think this has got 3 to 5 opportunities, and is a promo code here. So you would see in the related information, there are 6 plus opportunities. Okay, so my mistake. So in total, there are 13 opportunities which are related to this promo code. Now it can happen that in product in GR system you have got more than 13 opportunities related to it. So we have to identify all those promo codes, say who has 7 or 8 orders in their uh, greenrush system, but you have less in your Salesforce. Or you can also have such cases where the promo code exists in the GR system, has been sent to Salesforce, because if they are sent, you will get it in this integration. In this integration, uh, this one. So it has been sent, but it's not like made it into Salesforce. So we would come to know whether there are promos which have made to Salesforce or not. That way you can like easily identify um, all these orders which have no promos, or all the promos you can say who do not have any orders. So all this mismatch you can have, I mean, your use cases, first use cases, you have a promo which is in GR system but not in Salesforce. Bang, you get one entry that this is one is not there. Second, you have got one promo in your GR system which is there in Salesforce, but in production, I mean in GR, you have got say 20 opportunities to which it has been applied, and in your case, we have like applied it only in 13 to 14 opportunities. So we will identify them, as well as not only identify them, as well as show how many opportunities are have been like there in the GR system, and how many opportunities are there in our system. Basically, the count as well as the opportunity number. So, for example, this Hello Pop has a in GR system has 10 opportunities with this kind of a number, order number. So what we'll do is we'll show like these many opportunities are there in the GR system and which of them are there in Salesforce. So we'll come to know that this, say for example, this particular opportunity is there in both GR and Salesforce. This opportunity has this promo applied in GR as well as Salesforce, but there is another opportunity which does not have any promo, but in it shows that in GR system it was applied this particular promo code, but in Salesforce the promo code is not applied, it's not showing up. So that can be a reason. The basic thing is we need to find out why the GR people are saying the promo codes and the opportunities are wrongly mapped to each other. To identify this case, and we have to identify what next steps would be. So if we found out that yeah, GR is sending 20 opportunities having this promo code, but in Salesforce there are those 20 opportunities are there, but let's say 10 of them do not have that promo code assigned to it. So we can understand that there is a mistake in this XML parser. Somehow the promo codes which are coming in are not getting tagged to the correct opportunity. That could be a case. So the whole and soul of this task is to identify whether a promo has certain number of opportunities both in GR as well as in Salesforce. If there is a mismatch, show them. If there is a promo which does not have any kind of an opportunity in Salesforce level, but it shows there that it is there in in your GR, will note them. If there is a promo code which shows that it's sending from GR, but that promo code does not exist at all in Salesforce, so we will also mark it. But again, we have to make sure that from the GR system, we have to show all the opportunity numbers to which that promo code has been applied. So in our object, custom object, what you will do is you will create a custom object which will only store the mismatch. Whether promo code exists, if a promo code does not exist in Salesforce, we'll just store this promo code number. There would be say you can create a text area field. Opportunity sent by that promo code, will keep them comma separated, and there will be like a field called opportunities linked in Salesforce, and you will have all the opportunities there. So this is what we need to show in that screen. So it becomes very easy to identify which opportunity got missed. And if, say for example, opportunity this because it's very important that promo, say you send 20 opportunities from GR and only 10 of them match. So we should know which 10 of them match. We should ideally use a colors coding in the Visual Force page. So there will be line entry, so a table of parent being the promo code and children being the opportunity. So whichever matched, you will have it green as a cell color being green, and if does not it did not match, so the promo, I mean the opportunity coming from the GR side will be red. This is what we need to do, because in the previous task, order versus GR, we should have given that instead of yes and no, because color coding is very easy to understand other than reading yes or no, that you know this is red, which means did not match. So, okay, fine. If the client asks for the color coding, we'll give that in order GR. But for this task, please ensure that you have this color coding. This is not for my use, it's basically for them to easily identify what's wrong in there. So then we can go ahead and identify the next steps.